This small two-story Mediterranean modern home seamlessly combines the timeless elegance of Spanish architecture with contemporary design. Featuring natural materials like stone, wood, and terracotta, the home exudes warmth and charm. Expansive windows capture stunning sea views, while open living spaces create a sense of openness and connection with nature. The thoughtful blend of rustic Mediterranean elements and sleek modern touches offers a serene, sophisticated living experience. The interior of this Mediterranean modern home blends rustic charm with contemporary elegance. White stucco walls and terracotta flooring create a warm, inviting atmosphere, while wooden beams and minimalist furnishings add a touch of character. Large windows flood the space with natural light, seamlessly connecting the indoors with the stunning views outside. Façade showcases a stunning blend of natural stone, warm wood accents, and expansive glass, creating a harmonious balance between rustic Mediterranean charm and modern design. Positioned to maximize breathtaking sea views, the home features large windows and sliding doors that seamlessly connect indoor and outdoor spaces. Stone walls provide timeless texture, while wooden shutters and pergolas add warmth and character, all perfectly complementing the coastal setting. Indoor living space is a bright, open-plan area with clean lines and a mix of natural textures. White walls and terracotta flooring create a warm, airy atmosphere, while wooden beams and minimalist furnishings add character. Large windows and sliding glass doors invite natural light and offer seamless access to outdoor areas, blending indoor and outdoor living. The space is designed for comfort and elegance, with a balance of rustic Mediterranean charm and modern simplicity. The outdoor living space features an infinity pool that seamlessly merges with the horizon, offering stunning sea views. Surrounded by natural stone and terracotta tiles, the pool area exudes Mediterranean charm. A shaded pergola with wooden beams provides a cozy lounge and dining space, while minimalist furniture enhances the modern aesthetic. Lush greenery and potted plants frame the scene, creating a serene retreat that perfectly complements the coastal setting. This small Mediterranean modern home beautifully merges timeless Spanish architecture with contemporary design. The thoughtful use of natural materials like stone, wood, and terracotta creates a warm, inviting atmosphere both indoors and outdoors. With open living spaces, expansive sea views, and seamless transitions between interior and exterior, the home offers a serene, sophisticated retreat. Whether enjoying the tranquil pool area or the cozy indoor spaces, this design exemplifies Mediterranean elegance with a modern touch.